Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook. Click on that and you need to update your Facebook application first. So once you done that, you simply need to open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Facebook, and you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to allow all permissions from here like this. Okay, so once you done that, then you simply need to restart your smartphone and open Facebook and log in into your account and click on your profile picture on the top right. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on settings, and here you need to search for the shortcuts. And I think there is, so let me find from here, navigation bar. Okay, click on customize the bar and you need to pin the marketplace. Okay, so once you done that, let me show you Facebook Marketplace. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.